Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and for today's video we're drawing a cute chihuahua. So first you're going to be needing paper, some markers, and a Sharpie. So let's get started. So first we're going to be making the outline. Why is the corner of my face right there? Oh my god. So now we're going to be coloring our chihuahua with dark browns and lighter browns. And for the final touch, adding a pink collar. Hope you guys like and subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye!